Hello, 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 hello. Welcome to my channel. This is me again, Julia Rack. Mhm. So if you're seeing me for the first time, you welcome. And if you're my returning subscriber, thank you so much, guys. You are so much. You are so amazing. Thank you so much for your support. I love you guys so much. I love you guys. Okay, so today I want to do a quick sit chat. Last time I'm trying to pronounce this chit chat. I'm like talking chit chat or stuff like that. I don't really know how to go about it because it's not easy. It's not really easy to sit like you're talking to yourself on the camera, like as if you're talking to somebody. Maybe when somebody just pass and look at you like, who is this one talking to? I know that it's just you, okay, just you yourself in this in the room or in the wherever you find yourself in making this kind of things, okay. It's not easy, okay, so I'm trying. Okay. Enough. Okay, back to business. Okay, so I want to make a tutorial on this top I found on Pinterest. If you have known me, if you know me personally, you know that I'm this kind of crazy kind of person that every single time, if I'm with my phone, on all the app, if I didn't go through any app in a day, you see Pinterest, I don't joke with that app. I'm not advertising, it's not a pay group. This video is not a pay group, okay? It's not a pay app or pay partnership, whatever, but I'm just helping you guys, okay, to let you know where I'm doing my own research, where I'm discovering some things, okay? Pinterest is like this for me. Me and Pinterest, we are like this. I love that app. If only you can also do that same research on that app, you will know exactly what I'm talking about, okay? Okay, let's keep that aside. I found this style. I'm going to put it on the screen so you'll see, okay. I found this style on Pinterest and think hmm, I think you guys will like it. For me personally, it's not my style, but because of you guys, I'm going to make it and I'm going to wear this dress and see if it actually fits me. But if it doesn't, well, I can give it out to people who may want it. But because of you guys, I'm going to make a tutorial on it, okay. I'm going to make a tutorial. Before I will do this tutorial, I'm going to be that you guys want, okay. Then leave your comment below, tell me you want it, make your comment below that you want it. I will make a tutorial for it, okay. And yeah, secondly, I want I'm trying to figure myself out, okay, to know which part I actually belong, because I just noticed myself that I'm not this type of person who like to do cut and spray method. And this particular style, like you saw on the screen, is the type that you can do cut and spray method. But I'm trying to figure it out, like if I can do it with that cut and spray method and still have that same style, still have that same um the same style that I want. Okay, so without doing cut and spray, I want to try it. Okay, so that I will see how to balance the whole thing. So we are going to do this together, and I want you guys to watch this video and let me know what you think, okay? Because I can't do this alone. I can't make this decision alone, okay? Because it's something I'm not going to use, and to me it's like a waste of fabric for me, but still I still have to do it, okay? So